What's up, food factory process family? Ever wonder how that glass of orange juice stays so perfectly consistent? I mean, oranges are seasonal, weather's unpredictable, yet somehow your morning OJ tastes exactly the same whether it's January or July. Today, we're going behind the scenes of one of the world's most complex food supply chains. From battling citrus diseases to engineering that can process 50,000 oranges an hour, this journey's wilder than you think. Section 1. The source. Americans down about 700 million gallons of OJ yearly. To put that in perspective, if you lined up all those juice containers, they'd stretch from New York to Los Angeles and back again twice. The crazy part? This isn't just a US thing. Brazil alone ships enough concentrate worldwide to keep half the planet's breakfast tables happy. Meeting this demand means coordinating harvests across multiple continents, running factories 24/7, and moving products faster than most tech companies ship gadgets. Oranges are basically divas. They want 70 to 90 degrees, specific soil drainage, and just enough rain but not too much. Florida used to own this game completely, but nature had other plans. California stepped up big time, while Brazil quietly became the world's juice supplier. About 70% of global concentrate comes from there. Your breakfast OJ probably started in Sao Paulo, not Sarasota. The industry learned to spread risk across continents because putting all your oranges in one basket? Bad idea. Enter the villain, citrus greening disease. This bacterial infection, spread by bugs smaller than your fingernail, has devastated Florida's groves. Infected trees produce bitter, worthless fruit before dying completely. It's like plant zombie apocalypse. Once it hits, there's no cure. Add hurricanes that can wipe out entire harvests overnight, surprise freezes and droughts, and you realize that consistent OJ experience requires battling Mother Nature every single day. Here's the industry's clever solution: variety mixing and harvest timing. Valencia oranges give you that classic tangy-sweet balance, ripening spring through summer. Hamlin varieties are milder but ready fall through winter. By growing both and carefully blending batches from different harvest windows, manufacturers create flavor profiles that taste identical year-round. It's like having a DJ mix tracks to keep the party consistent. Same energy, different sources. Section 2. Harvest and transport. Hand-picking still happens, especially for premium brands. Watch these workers. They've developed almost supernatural instincts. They can tell ripeness by how an orange sits in their palm, the resistance when they twist it. No yanking, no dropping. Each orange gets treated like it's going directly to your glass. This costs more, takes longer, but creates noticeably better juice. It's the difference between mass production and artisan craft. For volume production, these machines are absolute beasts. They straddle tree rows and literally vibrate the ripe fruit loose using calibrated shaking arms. The engineering here is insane. They shake hard enough to drop oranges, but gentle enough not to damage next year's crop. Internal conveyors catch everything while fans blow debris away. Meanwhile, this nimble goat vehicle zigzags around collecting fruit. It's choreographed chaos that processes more oranges in 1 hour than hand pickers could handle in a week. Before anything leaves the grove, quality control gets serious. That device measures Brix levels, basically sugar content. But here's the trick: sugar alone doesn't make great juice. They're hunting for the perfect sweet-to-tart ratio. Too much sugar without acid? Tastes flat and boring. Too much acid? Your face puckers up. The magic ratio falls between 12:1 and 20:1 sugar to acid. This testing determines whether oranges become premium juice, basic concentrate, or get rejected entirely. Section 3. Factory transformation. Welcome to organized mayhem. These trucks carry 45 tons of oranges each. That's like hauling 30 cars worth of fruit. Watch this hydraulic tilt system create what I call the orange avalanche. 50,000 oranges cascade onto conveyors in minutes. The engineering coordination here is mind-blowing, timing truck arrivals so the factory never stops running but never gets overwhelmed. One delay and the whole system backs up. First stop, orange spa treatment. High-pressure jets blast away field dirt while rotating brushes scrub each piece clean. But human eyes still rule quality control. These inspectors spot things cameras miss. Subtle bruising, weird coloring, foreign objects. Every orange passing this checkpoint becomes premium juice. The rejects? They become cattle feed or compost. Nothing gets wasted. Check this out. Tiny pins puncture each orange peel to release aromatic oils. These oils become natural flavoring for juices and other products. Then comes precision sorting by size because these extraction machines work like custom-fitted tools. Wrong size orange in the wrong machine? Efficiency drops dramatically. It's like trying to use a socket wrench that doesn't quite fit. Technically works, but wastes energy and fruit. Here's where magic happens. Some machines ream oranges like superpowered kitchen tools, others use crushing pressure to separate juice from pulp instantly. Either way, we're talking thousands of oranges processed per hour per machine. Juice flows out while spent peels get ejected toward their second life as animal feed. The speed and precision here is hypnotic. It's like watching a perfectly tuned engine run at full throttle. Fresh squeezed doesn't mean ready to drink. Rotating screens filter out seeds, large pulp chunks, and peel fragments. This creates the base juice that everything else builds from, whether that's concentrate, straight juice, or specialty blends. Think of this as creating the blank canvas before the real artistry begins. Section 4. Perfecting the juice. Path 1. Concentrate route. These evaporators remove 80% of water using vacuum pressure, which lets water evaporate at lower temperatures. Why care? Lower heat preserves flavor compounds and vitamins that would get destroyed by traditional heating. What emerges is basically orange syrup, concentrated flavor that ships efficiently worldwide and can be stored for months. This is what becomes frozen concentrate or gets reconstituted later. Path 2 leads to not from concentrate juice. This undergoes flash pasteurization, heating to 185 degrees for just 15 seconds, then instant cooling. It's like giving bacteria and enzymes a quick knockout punch without cooking the juice. This preserves way more fresh flavor and vitamin C compared to older methods. The whole process was pioneered by Tropicana's founder and revolutionized how we get fresh-tasting juice with extended shelf life. After pasteurization, juice flows into these massive sterile tanks, over 1 million gallons each. That's enough juice to supply a mid-sized city for weeks. Perfect refrigeration and sterile conditions keep juice fresh for up to 2 years if needed. But quality testing never stops. Constant sampling checks, acidity, sugar levels, color, aroma, even microscopic contamination. This obsessive monitoring ensures every batch tastes identical to consumer expectations. Remember that separated pulp? It's coming back for juices labeled some pulp or lots of pulp. Different brands have signature pulp levels that require precise blending to maintain consistency. Sometimes natural orange essences captured during processing get added back too. This is where food science meets artistry, creating that exact flavor profile consumers expect from their preferred brand, regardless of season or orange variety. Section 5. Bottling and beyond. Before our perfect juice needs a perfect container. These tiny plastic preforms get heated until soft, positioned in precision molds. Then high-pressure air literally inflates them into bottle shape in under a second. Modern packaging technology cranks out thousands of bottles hourly while maintaining strict sterile conditions. Each bottle is essentially custom-made moments before filling. The filling dance is pure precision engineering. Sterile rinse, exact volume filling, instant capping. Then, automated inspection systems photograph every bottle, checking fill levels, cap seals, cleanliness. Anything imperfect gets automatically ejected. This quality control ensures food safety and customer satisfaction. No shortcuts allowed. Final touches: cap sterilization, cooling tunnels, high-speed labeling, then shrink wrapping into consumer packs. Every step maintains the cold chain and sterile environment from factory to grocery shelf. The coordination required to keep everything moving without contamination or temperature breaks is seriously impressive. Robotic systems build shipping pallets while maintaining perfect stability for transport. These pallets navigate distribution centers before loading onto refrigerated trucks. The logistics choreography ensures fresh juice reaches thousands of stores exactly when needed. No shortages, no waste. From grove to glass. That's the incredible journey your morning OJ travels. Refrigerated trucks maintain perfect cold chains delivering to supermarkets nationwide. When you grab that bottle, you're getting the result of agricultural expertise, cutting-edge engineering, and obsessive quality control. All this sophisticated coordination just to deliver consistent, vitamin-packed orange juice that brightens your morning. What blew your mind most? The harvesting tech? The pasteurization science? The quality control obsession? Drop your thoughts below. I genuinely love hearing from you guys. Hit subscribe for more. Food Factory Process deep dives into how your favorite foods actually get made. We've got chocolate factories, cheese plants, and bread production coming up. Ring that bell so you catch every episode. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next factory exploration.